Alright, so me and Doris made a homemade barbecue sauce out of ketchup, mustard, honey, a little red pepper,
Brown sugar.
and a little bit of brown sugar. Dab of black pepper and a little bit of white vinegar to, cut this gas level down a bit from the tomatoes. And so we put it here in the Ninja on 300, and we're basically cooking it till it's done. Which I suggest you use. I was going to show you the temperature we got, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, use one of these. So use one of these to find your preference of your. So this is poultry. That's most chicken breast. So you want it cooked to an internal temperature of 165, which would be like right about there. Okay. So see you when basically that's done to about there. So I'm gonna put this next to the Ninja, and then we'll basically cut the strips, and we'll make your ramen.
Okay.